Hello guys! In this tutorial, we will tell you how to provide the Google Play developer account details. Read the information carefully and then provide your Google developer account details. Now enter your developer name and developer email in the respective fields. Finally, enable the checkbox to accept the agreement. By checking this box, you allow AppyPie submission team, appsubmitter@gmail.com, to use your developer account information for submitting your app to Google Store, as per AppyPie's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Finally, click on the Submit button to submit your contact info to the AppyPie's submission team. The submission team will get back to you once they will review your details. You can also drop them an email for any updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.